Hi, my name's Stuart. Today we are on our way to the Weinviertel, or in English the Wine Quarter, which is in the northeast of Austria. It's a main wine area, and I'm hoping to capture some nice landscapes and scenery with my drone. Join me on this journey after the intro. See you there. Okay, we have now arrived in Retz, which is in the wine quarter. As you can see all around me, we have a beautiful landscape, which I will explore in a second with the drone. I hope you enjoy the shots.
Okay, that's the end of the video. If, by the way, you want to see more modern windmills, you can check this video up here where I was able to film some with my drone, but I still like the look of the more classic type of windmill. It's just a shame that it doesn't move anymore, but it's understandable. And also at these times, it's not in operation, so I think it won't be opened until another 2 weeks or so. But on the plus side, it meant that there were no people there, so we weren't disturbing anyone, which is also a plus. Thank you for watching. I know it was a bit of a shorter video, but I think that's quite okay. Also in scale, the landscape was a bit smaller. I enjoy doing these videos as well. I hope you like them. Let me know in the comments down below if you have any suggestions for the channel, things you want to see, maybe things you've looked up about Austria that you would like to see in a drone video, if I'm allowed to fly there. And I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.